Hey guys, Tiggy, and today we are going to be seeing what is inside these surprise boxes. Yeah, we've got to find out what's inside. Yeah, what's inside this. Mine's a grocery game. Series 2, and Tyne's got, my sister. And yeah, she's got Shopkins. Yeah. So now we are going to start opening. Can I open? Or do you know? I want to So I'm excited. Oh, I think. Don't mind. I'm supposed to get all different packets. Oh, let's open. Ooh.
I bet you haven't got that one to fill in. That
I don't think I actually have this one.
She only has a few because I was collecting first before her. Wasn't I?
Ouch.
And she didn't get to collect nothing.
Yeah, so let's open.
Let's got a new one.
Woo!
What have you got? Oh!
Flaming
hot. I'm going to see his name.
Try and find out its name.
It's hot.
Oh, hot. Just came back from school back 2 hours ago.
Yep.
Ugh. I guess I haven't got this one either. Ooh. Oh, it's a rare. It's a rare. It's a rare. Look, a rare.
Where's the flame not over there?
Tasteless Tabasco sauce. 1 second now.
Tobacco.
Yeah, it does. It's not.
Oh, when can I open mine?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Camera's moving.
Oh, I can't find it. Can't find it. It must be really rare.
Oh, I think.
Yay! I've got an ultra rare. Try and go on and get your one done.
Oh, I about to buy it open. But my tooth is so that
I've got an ultra rare. So if you ever get grocery games, if you get this one, or if you get the packet, look at this one, and it's a rare. This is how it looks. I can't find it now. This is how it looks. And it says green is ultra rare. And then you know I'm not lying. Look at this.
Oh yeah, I've just opened my packet. Oh, there you are.
If you can read.
What?
We'll have it closer if you can't.
Oh wait, ain't am I going now?
It's going in. Time's going to open hers.
Shopkins. Oh, a few. Luckily, they don't open.
Yeah, they have little ones.
Wait, I will show you. Which one should I do? I'm just going to ask. Which one should I ask? Perfect. That's all. So, this is the one. Go. Go get them out.
Oh, I don't think
I have this one. I'm quite so excited. I reckon I don't because
you need
team. Look at I just nearly come on. I don't have that. And I have the sunbathing bed. And I have the sunbathing bed.
I think it's rare.
I'm going to tell Mummy.
It's see-through. Oh.
Dean, I have the sunbathing bed. Did you know that?
We're in our playhouse again. Oh.
Come up.
Yeah. Go in. Show you.
I like cutting things. I like. Oh! I have the sister to this, but not the exact same one.
Yeah, look. So now we're going to
I can find out names.
Yeah. Quick. Hurry up.
Weird. Don't worry if you call me weird. Because I am weird. Oh, I found it!
Great birthday cake. Quick, hurry, hurry.
So
My time
crazy.
runs out. Just check. Here. Sunny
No,
sun.
that's what I have.
Your sunny sun cream. It is. Ooh, red. Ooh, now let's show you.
Swimming pots.
No time we gotta show them.
Yeah, I will show them.
This one.
So,
1 second.
oh, it looks like some. Oh, wait, my back has.
So now I actually need to show my other baba.
Oh, so that's mine.
So you got that so you can see.
I got.
So now Ton, you got to show your other one.
I got
Quick and green.
I just want to see. And oh, and I got this one. If you can see.
Okay. Okay, now you found out, so bye guys, bye.
See you another
See you another day and I'll do another YouTube video and don't forget to
I don't know what to do.
subscribe. Okay, bye bye.